Hello people, so today I would like to give to you the tips to get a cut-to-cut voiceover for your video only with the CapCut. So basically cut-to-cut is mostly used by the content creator to explain about their video to make their video less boring, because cut-to-cut voiceover can only explain about what they have to say into the video. So how to do the cut-to-cut voiceover? You just need to open your video here. So this is my video that I will like to show to you guys. Make sure that you place this straight line here into the beginning of the clip. So the next thing you need to do is just go click audio and click this voiceover. So don't just tap this button for record your video, but then you just need to click and hold it while you speak, and then you just need to take it off whenever you're done in speaking. So let's just try it. I would like to show you. The next thing you need to do is just drag this clip into the left side just a little bit, so that you will get the right time to do a cut-to-cut voiceover. So whenever you drag into the left side, now you just need to do the same. Click and hold the button while speaking. The tips about a good way to make your video less boring. I would like to show you this is the tips about a good way to make your video less boring. That is for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again on the next tutorial.